Okay, hi Rakesh. I welcome you for this interview. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. So, can you introduce yourself in brief?
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Myself, Bhimagoni Rakesh. I have born and brought up in Warangal, but currently staying in Hyderabad. I have completed my PG in MCA from Usmania University. This is about me, sir.
It's okay. So you have mentioned that so you are skilled in Python.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So since how long time you are learning Python?
Since 2 months, I am learning Python, sir.
Okay, very good. So are you confident in that?
Yes, sir. I am sure.
Yeah. Then let's have some small questions okay, on this.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Right. So Python has interesting features.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you tell me, according to you, tell me, explain me best 5 features of Python?
Sir, Python has different features. In my way, the best feature is it is easy to learn. Compared to other languages, it is easy to learn. The syntax of Python is very less, and it is portable. We can install it on any platforms, and it is embeddable as well. It is a high-level language, that is user-friendly language, and it is object-oriented language as well. So we can create the code as per object.
Okay.
Yes, sir. These are the main features.
Okay, very good, nice. Then yeah, so variables in Python, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how many ways we can assign the values to the variables?
So we can assign the variables multiple times.
Okay.
Data type variable is there. Data type, identity variables are the types of variables. So we can assign multiple variables and single value assign it as type.
Achha, so single value and
Multiple values.
Okay. So tell me how to do single value and how to do multiple values.
So single values we can assign like a equal to 10. This is a single value assignment example. So multiple types we can assign a comma b comma c equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. These are types of multiple values assignment. So we can assign it in a single line.
Okay. Then for example, I have 3 variables.
Yes,
and
sir.
I want to assign 2 values. Will it work?
No,
According
sir.
to you, for example, like a comma b equal to, if I write 10 comma 20 comma 30, will it work?
No, sir.
No. Why it will not work?
Because we are giving 2 variables, we are giving 3 elements. So it is a syntax error, sir. So we can't assign 3 elements to 2 variables.
Okay. So do you know what is identity of a variable?
Yes, sir. So when we use identity function like ID function, which gives the memory location or address location of a variable.
Okay. Right. So for example, I have one variable, 2 variables are there. Let me say x, y.
Yes, sir.
So both are storing same value.
Yes, sir.
Whether the identity is same or different.
The variables are different, right? So the storing of location is different.
No, it is the same value, but
The same value means its location is same, sir.
same. Are you
Yes.
sure about it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, now I will store 3 values.
Okay.
No, 3 variables.
Okay.
Same value. Then can I say the identity of all the variables is same?
No, sir. That depends on the input function.
For example, x10, y10, z10.
Yes,
all
sir.
are 10, 10, 10 only.
Yes, sir.
So ID of x, ID of y, ID of z.
Okay.
So is it same or different?
It's same, sir, because it's storing the same values.
Same value. So doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
That's what you want to say.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Do you know? Have you idea on operators?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what are the various operators in Python?
Relational operators, arithmetic operators, logical operators, assignment operators, comparison operators. These are the types of operators.
Okay, right. So can you tell me, explain anything about any one operator in relational?
In relational.
Yeah,
I don't know, sir.
relational. Asha, right. So which operators you are familiar with?
Arithmetic, logical operators.
So for example, if I want to find power, a
Yes, sir.
power b,
Yes,
let me
sir.
say a and b are my variables.
Yes, sir.
So which operator I need to use?
Double star operators, sir.
Are you sure about it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Right. So are you aware of conditional constructs in Python?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Can you tell me?
Constructs is to disturb the flow of execution of a program. Conditional constructs are if statement, else statement, elif statement, if nested if statement.
Nested if statement.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the difference between using if and else with if? When we have to use?
Sir, if is a single statement, sir. When we use single condition or single statement, we will use if statement. Else is a breaking of the program. When we use else, before else we will use if statements. If it not satisfy the if statement, we'll automatically print the else statement.
Can you show me one example for that?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yeah, please.
So this is the example, sir. So
explain that clearly, line by line, what exactly it does.
So,
Okay.
so
Right.
this is the number, sir. I mean, which is the input which I am taking. This is a condition.
Okay.
If input is divided by 2 and it is equal to 0,
What is that operator?
it is a modulus, sir.
Modulo. What
If
it will give?
it gives remainder 0.
Reminder. Okay.
If it gives 0, it will print the number will input number will be a positive number.
Is it positive number?
Yes, sir. Positive number.
No. Check it. It is even number, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Actually, one.
Even.
Even. Right.
Even and odd, sir.
Right. Okay. Fine.
If it satisfies this condition, it prints even number.
Okay.
If it not satisfied, automatically it prints odd number.
Odd number.
Yes, sir.
So once go through with your program, can you tell me there is one small mistake, syntax error. Where can you identify?
Syntax error, sir.
Yeah,
Here.
exactly. That is correct.
Yes.
Okay. So right. So for example, you create one variable. Let me say x equal to some 10, something like that. Okay. Beside, you can write down. X equal to 10.
Okay.
Okay. Now tell me how to get the identity of a variable and type of a variable.
Type
Just
of a variable.
Print these two things. Okay.
Okay,
I
sir.
need identity and I need type also.
Okay, sir. That's it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So what is indentation?
So an indentation which we use beside the colons. I mean, it automatically takes space for next statement.
What is that basically? Why we use indentation?
So we use indentation to keep this statement inside the loop.
Okay. So can I use different indentation values in the same block?
Here, sir.
For example, you have written there one print statement, right?
Yes, sir.
So I will write one more print statement with different indentation. Will it work?
No, sir, it not work. It gives an indentation error.
It will give indentation error.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is fine. Right. So yeah, that is good. Yeah, come and sit.
Thanks.
Okay. So do you have idea on loops?
Yes, sir.
Why will use loops?
Sir, loops are basically used to repeat the. When we want to repeat the single statement in a multiple times. Yes, sir.
You want to repeat the statement
Multiple
loops.
times.
Can I repeat multiple statements or single statement at a time?
Multiple statements as well.
Multiple statement also
Yes, sir.
work.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many loops are there in Python?
Sir, in Python, basically for loop and while loop is there.
Actually, you have for loop and while,
While loop, yes, sir.
What is the difference between these two? Can you say?
Sir, for loop we use when loops have to be iterated. On time that we use for loop. When we don't know that loop should be repeated, on time that will be used while loop.
What exactly mean by that?
Sir, loop always depends on range function, sir. So when we know that loop should be repeated number of times, on that time we will use for loop.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Achha, if that is not clear, then you'll go for
While loop.
while loop.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah. So one more thing is that you are using condition in while loop.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you tell me what are the other two other differences between for loop and while loop?
I don't know, sir.
Achha. So increment happens automatically in while loop.
Yes, sir. We should addition the numbers.
You have to specify, right?
Specify.
Programmer has to
Yes, sir.
specify
Yes,
the
sir.
things. Okay. What is function?
Function is a group of codes, sir. Block of codes.
Achha. Okay, right. So what are the types in functions?
So function have basically three types: user defined functions, inbuilt functions, and lambda functions.
Okay. So can you tell me about structure of a user defined function? Syntax, can you tell me?
Here, user defined starts with a def, sir.
So what is the difference between a user defined function and inbuilt function?
Sir, user defined function is basically created by the user or developer. When we want to use that function, he will create that function. Inbuilt functions are which are normally available inside the application.
Okay, so they are readily available.
Readily available.
So can you tell me what are the specific types in inbuilt functions?
So inbuilt functions we have count functions, minimum functions, maximum functions, addition functions, sum of functions.
Okay. So do you know about the string functions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me any one of this? Explain me any one of string functions.
String functions like counting, indexing.
What it will do? Count.
Count means how many letters inside the string that will give the count of strings.
What is length function?
Length will gives a number of words, a number of letters, sir.
Number of Letters,
alphabets.
characters, whatever
Yes, sir.
it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the difference between count and length?
Count will give the complete word number, sir. Word number.
Acha, if you want specific
Specific.
string or substring or
Yes, sir.
specific alphabet,
Specific
you can count
alphabet,
with,
yes.
okay. Then in addition to this, what you know? Which function you know?
L strip. L strips.
Okay. What
Strip.
it will do? Strip.
L
What
strip.
it will do?
Strip will remove the space beside left side, right side the string space.
Okay. So there are L strip, R strip,
L
and
strip, R strip, strip.
Strip will remove space.
Both side.
Both sides. What about L strip?
L side will remove the only left side of the space. Left side
What
of the
about R strip?
R strip will remove the only right side of the string.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you, Rajesh.
Thank you, sir.